no gold is not enough.
Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to deploy your Node application on Qovery.com in simple steps. So let's quick. So here I have a Node.js application that's installed in server running on port 3000. Let's open that. Don't mind that. And here you can see it shows hello world. So it does work. So let's get started. So let's upload our project to GitHub first. So let's initialize into git init, and we have initialized our let's create a git node. Yes, and this will remove modules from the git upload to file. So let's get started. I'm using GitHub desktop. So let's create let's add a new repository, and let's browse the folder located in desktop. And say new folder. Okay, here it is. And this is your folder. And let's load it. You can say 1.0, whatever you want. Commit master, publish repository. You can either keep this a public code or private code, up to you. Create a repo and publish repository. And first of all, for deploying our app on Kovari, we need a Dockerfile. So let's create it. So this is the name of the base image. So this will be Node, as we are using Node 14, and this will be the version of Node.js. Now we will make a command, say run mkdir and p. This will command parameter inside a cell. Right, then let's say user resource user app, and let's so now we have to make another commands. Let's say working directory WORKDIR. This will be the path of the working directory. So let's say source user or app. So these two should be same. This will set this repo as our working directory. So let's copy all the files from source directory. So we can say package.json to our source directory. So this will copy all the files of package.json from our this file to our base image. And say copy dash. So this will copy all our data from this directory to this directory. So let's say now let's create another command saying run npm install. It will install all the dependencies or Node.js dependencies. So let's say cmd commands, and it will be like node, okay, and index.js. Okay, it's done, and let's push it to GitHub. Commit to master origin. Okay, and it's done. So now let's get started on how to. So we have a directory here called tutorial. So let's go to Kovari. Now you can sign up here, and you can sign in with GitHub. So let's go. Create a new project, and you can say to one create Go to project, create an application. I have an application. Like link your application for Git source and deploy it via Qovery. Okay, connect to GitHub and select a repo. This was our app name tutorial. You can say that. Next, create deploy. And once it's done, let's go and check our app. Hit deploy. Okay, go to project. Deploy. Let's see. Kovari deploys our apps on Docker containers that are hosted by DigitalOcean and YC3. And we can see the deployment log here. It's been created. Deployment is in progress. Okay, it's running here. We close that one and we can say check our server running on port 3000 summary. We can go to our GitHub and default backend and that I don't know that one, but it's deployed. That's all. Or we can say okay, we had to expose our port. So let's see how can you do that. That will be done by this one. Let's see, export port. You can say 3000. That was our initial port in .s. We will commit master origin. Okay, let's fetch here, and there will be a file called origin. Okay, this is the Kovari, that file that was created by Kovari when we launched our app on Kovari. So let's see, tutorial name project tut1, application name tutorial, organization Kovari community. That's it. Path. Okay, that's it. So that's all that takes to deploy our. Okay, let's check out like how fast that was. We just put and it's already been deployed. Container is built. And duplication for application tutorial. We check deployment and it's running. We work. We can't see any logs. Not know why it's not running, but it is running. As you can see, it's running. Let's try to open that main tutorial, and here you can see it's running. So that's how you deploy your Node.js project on Qovery. And like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on Qovery. That's it. Thank you. Okay, query community, bye bye.